Rita, oops, yeah, I'll do it like this, to wind her yarn on the spools from the 3D printer.
Reels? It works really cool.
So that works cool. I got some tweaks to do to it, but I think we're on the right trail.
Especially those big balls of yarn that just don't want to untie.
This works out well.
Thanks, babe.
I get to use the recycled.
Hang on.
I gotta hang on?
Yeah, now I'm into my whoosy-wutsy. Okay. Okay.
Okay, we'll go slower.
No, you don't have to go slower. Just gotta pull a little bit more.
Yeah, just gotta tweak it a little.
Works good to me. Saves me the hassle of balling it up.
And then we set up something on the, once that's done, we just set it up on a little mount, so she just...
Which is right here. This is the mount. It's from his 3D reel things, and this is what I put it on, and it's easy to unwind. So there you have it. From that goes on to this, and it's perfection.
Something simple.
Absolutely. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome. Okay, I don't know how this is going to come out, but Rita asked me to make her a few things to roll up her yarn. It comes in the ball, whatever, instead of a ball. And we have these empty spools from the 3D printer that the filament comes on. So we roll them on that. If you've seen it in the first clip, that was just a trial run. But we know it works. And all I do, I made these two caps and put a bolt through it. And I had this left over from one of my old spool feeders. So that sets in there just like that. Okay. And I put my handy dandy Milwaukee screwdriver. And that goes like that. And we just wind the spool. Well, actually it's supposed to go that way. We wind the spool. And then once the spool's done, I take the white things off, unscrew them, and she puts it on this, and that's when she feeds out. It rides on these bearings. Okay, and a few other things I made while I was playing around. It's getting Halloween, so I made some cookie cutters. So you got cookie cutters. I even played around with the Christmas ones too. The Christmas cookie cutter. Yeah, the holes are in there, so push the dough out. Another Halloween one, that's the witch's hat. Okay, and for the fidgety people, we got this. It's a print in place, and they all turn inside each other. It's printed on the printer just like that. When you take it off, it just cool. So that's what I've been playing with the last few days. Oh, we got to have this one for Valentine's Day. So it stamps the cookie and we'll put our names in it. We got to try them out. We haven't tried them out yet. Let me know what you think. Okay, I forgot to show this. This is one of them that has some yarn on it already that we made. We're not getting much good light over here, but you get the idea. You just wind it up and she puts it on that holder when she's... And I also made her some marker clips. They're like little pins, close safety pins. I made them up, and they just clip onto her crocheting, so she knows where she is. And I also make her buttons and stuff that she needs. So, things to do with a 3D printer. There's endless things to do.